Grade 5 Spelling List 9. Utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. An implement, container, or other article, especially for household use. My mom got new kitchen utensils. Stronger. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. Having the power to move heavy weights or perform other physically demanding tasks. He's stronger after working out and eating healthy food. Tangled. T-A-N-G-L-E-D. Twisted together untidily. His hair was a tangled mess. Statements. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T-S. A definite or clear expression of something in speech or writing. The statements are all false. Relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. A person connected by blood or marriage. We had all of our relatives over at once. Laundry. L-A-U-N-D-R-Y. Clothes and linens that need to be washed or that have been newly washed. My mom had to do all the laundry. Careen. C-A-R-E-E-N-E-D. Move swiftly and in an uncontrolled way in a specified direction. The car careened out of control and hit the other car. Allowed. A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Give permission to do something. Green light indicates you are allowed to go ahead. Economic. E-C-O-N-O-M-I-C. Relating to economics or the economy. The economic situation is depressing because of the pandemic. America. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. A landmass in the Western Hemisphere consisting of the continents of North and South America joined by the Isthmus of Panama. I am from America. Click the link below to download free spelling printables. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.